just the things we have completed. Okay, so we have gone through the concept of this complete incidence matrix. So in the complete incidence matrix, the values will be written as 1, -1 or 0. Okay, 1 if branch J is outgoing to that node, and -1 when the branch J is incoming to that node. Okay, so depending upon that we will write 1 and -1, and then we will write 0 if they are not having any interrelation. We have taken one example for finding the reduced incidence matrix. So we have columns as a nodes and branches as a rows. Okay, so we will be having a reduced incidence matrix. This is and this is nothing but your complete incidence matrix. Okay, so your A matrix is just removing the last row of your complete incidence matrix is nothing but AA, and the reduced incidence matrix is nothing but this one, A. Okay, capital A. So depending upon our observation, we can create complete incidence matrix and the reduced incidence matrix. Then we have taken the concept of tree and co-tree, twig and link. Okay, so tree is having all the nodes in the network which you have created. Okay, just wait. I think આ બધું દેખાય છે ને તમને?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clearly visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, whole screen or something is
Whole
missing?
screen. No, sir. Whole screen.
Tree લખેલું દેખાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tree 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ABC twig.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The whole screen. So we have taken the concept of trees and links. So tree is what? It will be having all the nodes which are present in our main network, but do not have any close path. એટલે એવું બનાવવાનું tree કે જેમાં બધા જ node હોય પણ close path ના હોય, એને શું કહેવાય? Tree. Okay, branches of tree are called as a twig. આ જે branch જે tree માં present હોય એને શું કહેવાય? Twig. Okay, એના opposite માં that if I have made the tree, remaining branches of your network is called co-tree. Suppose मैं આ tree बनायो तो હવે કઈ કઈ branch રહી? F, D અને E. So this is nothing but your co-tree. Branches of co-tree are not nothing but the links. એટલે D, E ના F છે એને શું કહેવાય? Link. Okay, so now depending upon the person, the tree will be different. Okay, ગમે એટલા tree બની શકે પણ that will be a definite number. તેના માટેનું equation શું છે? A into A transpose, એનું તમારું determinant find out કરવાનું. So what is A? A is nothing but the reduced incidence matrix. A is your complete incidence matrix. એમાંથી એક રો કાઢી નાખવાની અને એમાંથી શું કરવાનું? A and A transpose. એટલે A transpose that means interchanging the rows and columns. અહીંયા જે rows હતી એને મેં column બનાવી દીધી અને columns ને rows બનાવી દીધી. Okay, and if you are making the multiplication of this, you will get some matrix. A matrix નું determinant find out કરવાનું જે final answer આવે, that is possible number of trees. Okay, now as I have said, we are having a total 6 numbers of matrices. કેટલા matrix છે? 6 number of matrix. એમાંથી બે પતી ગયા. Okay, that is reduced incidence complete incidence matrix and reduced incidence matrix. Okay, આ બે પતી ગયા. Okay, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, these are nothing but the related to your loop matrix and cut set matrix. Okay, આ જે 3 અને 5 છે એ બહુ બેઝિક છે. We will not do as far as your syllabus concern. Third and fifth, fourth and sixth છે એ થોડા એડવાન્સ છે, આપણે એ કરીશું. Okay, if you are able to do advanced, you will get the idea of 3 and 4. Okay, so I'll take the fourth number matrix, that is nothing but your fundamental circuit matrix, or generally it is termed as tie set matrix. Tieset, T-I-E-S-E-T, Tieset matrix. Okay. Is all the students are able to see and hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will take one. We will take one network and we will make the tie set. Okay. So what is the tie set? Tie set we have to make, and depending upon that we have to make the branches versus tie set. Okay. So your tie set will be having this tie set matrix is nothing but your B matrix, which is having a Bij branch. Okay, the value of Bij element will be again 1, -1 or 0. Okay, 1, -1 or 0. We will write 1 if orientation of tie set is similar to branch, or sorry, orientation of tie set is similar to that branch. Orientation of tie set is similar to branch. We will write -1 if orientation or the direction of tie set is opposite to branch. Okay, we will write 0 if orientation of tie set is not having any relation. Okay, again we will write 1, -1 and 0. Okay, orientation, if the direction of your branch and your tie set is same, we will write -1. If orientation or direction of your tie set and your branch is opposite, we will write -1, and we will write 0 if it is not having any relation. Okay, what is actually tie set is? So we will first learn how to make a tie set. So suppose I am taking the same network. This is your network. Okay, or network graph. So we have this 1, 2, 3 and 4 node. We'll be having A, we'll be having a B, C, that is D, E and F. Okay, I will choose a tree from this network. So again I will choose this tree. Depending upon your observation, you can choose your own. So you will be having 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will be having A, B, C. Okay. So in this, how many twigs are there? How many twigs?
3.
3. Which are there?
So A, B, C.
A, B, C.
ABC.
Trees of tree are known as a twigs. What are the links? Okay, I will
1,
take.
1,
2,
2, 3.
3.
What are the twigs?
So like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4 and 4 to 3.
1, 2, 3. That is name is.
D,
Okay. So this I'm making a dotted line. Okay.
D, E and F.
D, E and F. Okay. So I will create a tie set. Okay. What are this tie set? Just
Sir,
remember.
here you don't want to write a numerical number, just D, C and F.
D, E and F.
Okay, sir.
The node are the numbers 1, 2 and 3. And the branches are A, B, C, D, E, F. Links are the branches which are not present in the tree. Okay, tree અહીંયા બનાયો એમાં જે present ના હોય એ branches શું કહેવાય? Links.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what we have
Okay.
to do, we have to make the tie set. Okay, so I will again redraw this figure over here for betterment of your tie set. So this will be your tree. This will be your 1, 2, 3, and 4. A, B, and C. I hope the directions are clear. A, B, and C. Okay, this is your tree. Now what I will do? How many twigs are there? Twigs are D, E, and F. Sorry, how many links are there? These are the links. I will join this link one by one. I will join this link one by one to this tree. So first I will join D. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nothing but A, B, and C. I will join first link. First link, the direction is D is over here. This is my tie set number 1. I will join. I have joined this. I will join now E. Again, I will take this tree, same tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will join E. E kya do? This one. So I will join over here E. What is the direction? Over here. So this is my tie set number 2. Completed E. I will join F. Again I will draw this tree. So this will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. A, B, C. Okay, where is your F? F is over here. So I will again draw F. This is tie set number 3. Okay, now depending upon this tie set 1, 2, and 3, I will prepare the tie set matrix. So tie set matrix is a B matrix which are having a tie set as a row and branch. Sorry, tie set are as a column and the branches. Okay, so how many branches are there? A, B, C, D, E, F. How many tie sets are there? Tie set number 1, tie set number 2, tie set number 3. So tie set 1, tie set 2, tie set 3. Now see properly. I will take tie set number 1. Tie set number 1 is this. Okay. In this tie set, I will make a loop. અહીંયા close path થયો તો અહીંયા loop બનાવીશ. What will be the direction of that loop? It will be the direction of the link which I have joined. D ની જે direction છે એ છે. એટલે આની direction માં કઈ મૂકી? Clockwise. Okay. I will write here 1, -1 or 0 depending upon this rule. I will write 1 if the direction of tie set is similar to the branch. I will write 1 if -1 if direction or the orientation of tie set is opposite to that branch. I will take 1 by 1 or 0 if it is not any interrelation. I will take branch number 1. Branch 1 ની direction કઈ છે? આ બાજુ છે?
હા. So -1.
Tie set ની direction શું છે? It is
Clockwise.
same
-1.
or different?
Different, sir.
Different. So what I have to write?
-1.
-1. Okay. Next I will take B. B branch. B branch ની direction શું છે?
Same. 1.
It is coming over here and it is coming over here. So I have to write 1.
1.
Yes. Okay. Now roll number 26. You have to tell me C. What do you have to write C for C? Roll number 26.
Yes, sir. Wait.
What do you have to write for C? C ની direction શું છે? અહીંયા છે. A આ loop માં આવે છે?
No, sir.
Then you have to write 0.
0.
Okay, roll number 27. I will take D. What is the direction of D?
સર થોડું નીચે કરો ને મેપ હજુ થોડી નીચે ઉપરનું કપાઈ જ રહ્યું છે.
What is the direction of D?
સર એ 1 આવશે એના ડિરેક્શનમાં.
Same direction, so it will be 1. Now next, what is E? E આમાં present છે?
ઈ પ્રેઝન્ટ નથી.
Okay, what I have to write?
0.
0.
F.
Same as well as 0.
Okay. Now roll number 29. Roll number
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2. I will take tie set 2. Branch A. એના માટે શું કરીશ હું? આને આ બાજુ ફેરવીશ. કઈ ડિરેક્શન લઈશ આ લૂપની? જે તમે લિંક ની ડિરેક્શન છે એ સેમ લેવાની. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So for A, what I have to write? 1 minus 1 or 0?
0, 0.
Why 0? આ લૂપમાં આવે છે A.
સર એ ની ડાયરેક્શન ઉપર છે ને અને આ રિવર્સ ડાયરેક્શન છે એટલે રિવર્સ થશે.
તો શું આવે? 0 આવે, 1 આવે કે minus 1?
0.
0 ક્યારે આવે?
Sir, opposite
એક
will
મિનિટ
be
એક
-1 આવશે.
-1.
-1. 0 ક્યારે આવે કે એની જોડે કોઈ રિલેશન હોય નહીં તો. ઓકે,
ઓકે ઓકે સોરી સર.
તો it will be
-1.
okay.
-1.
Roll number 29 for B.
એમાં 0 આવશે સર. કોઈ
Okay.
કનેક્શન નહીં.
C.
સી માટે 1.
Why 1? આમથી આમ જાય છે, આની ડિરેક્શન
ઓ રિવર્સ -1. સોરી સર પેલો એરો દેખાઈ ગયો એટલે.
D. D branch. D branch.
0.
D branch છે આમાં રોલ નંબર 29.
નો સર એટલે 0.
હા તો તારે પૂછું છું, તારે જ પૂરું કરવાનું છે. E.
ઓકે ઓકે ઈ સેમ ડાયરેક્શન એટલે 1.
ઓકે. F.
એને બી કોઈ નહીં એટલે 0.
ઓકે. રોલ નંબર 30. tie set number 3, that is this one. Branch A. કઈ ડિરેક્શન લઈશ? F ની જે છે ને આ. ઓકે, આ this one. Rule number 30, tie set number 3, branch A.
Sir, 1.
Branch A અને આ tie set number 3 કેવી રીતે 1 આવ્યો? A અને આ tie set આ જે લૂપ છે એને કોઈ રિલેશન છે?
No, sir, no.
Then
0 will become.
okay. B branch આ રહી, એની ડિરેક્શન શું છે? આમ છે.
-1.
Yes. C અહીંયા છે, આ
0 will become.
0 આવશે ને, આ મેશમાં છે, it will be -1.
-1.
D.
-1, sir.
D ક્યાં છે?
D અહીંયા નીચે છે સર 4 માં.
D ઉપર છે, બકા અહીંયાથી આમ છે.
હા,
It
તો
will
સર
be
0 will become.
E. E ક્યાં છે? E આ બાજુ અહીંયા છે. E
1 will become.
E 0 આવે, અહીંયા હોય તો ક્યાં આવે? અહીંયા હોય બ્રાન્ચ તો આપણે આ મેશ લઈએ છીએ. F
1.
ઓકે. સો tie set 1, 2 and 3. ઓકે, કેટલા tie set બન્યા?
So 3 trisets.
ઓકે, એ 3 tie set કોની ઉપરથી ડિસાઈડ થયા?
Upon the links.
Depending upon the links. જેટલી links હોય એટલા tie set create થાય. There were 3 links D, E and F. We have created tie set 1, 2, and 3. Done. So this is nothing but your B matrix, tie set matrix. What you have to do? We have to create one tree. Then we have to join link one by one. If you are joining it, you will get a tie set 1, tie set 2, and tie set 3. Okay. If you are able to get the tie set number 1, 2, and 3, make the matrix branches versus your tie set. Take tie set number 1. Okay. Apply KVL or make a loop direction upon this. So depending upon the orientation of the branch, I will write -1, 0 or something. Okay. Done. થઈ જશે. ખબર પડી? No answer.
Yes, sir.
Sir, done.
Okay. This is your fifth matrix. Okay. Sorry, fourth matrix, that is tie set matrix. Then we will take sixth matrix, that is cut set matrix. So what is actually the cut set matrix? It is CUT cut set matrix. Cut set matrix. So your cut set or the F cut set matrix. F cut set matrix is your matrix Q, which are having Qij. Okay, the value of Qij will be either 1, -1, or 0 if orientation of branch is same as the cut set. If orientation of branch is same is not same, sorry, is not same or the opposite as the cut set. If branch is not having any interrelation between cut set. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to make a cut set for each and every branch, and then we have to write cut set matrix. So what is actually the cut set? For the cut set, what we have to do, first we have to take a graph. I will take the same
Sir,
graph.
page is not visible.
Total not visible or it is getting cut?
Sir, getting cut.
Okay, where?
Sir, from right side.
અત્યારે આ જે લખું છું એ દેખાય છે?
Ah, sir.
So it will be 2, 4. Your A branch, this will be your B branch, this will be your C branch. I'm sorry. It will be D and F. This is your main graph. So in your cut set matrix, again we have to prepare a tree. We prepare the same tree. 1, 2, and 3, 4. A, B,
C.
okay. Twigs are A, B, C. Links are
D, E, F.
okay. Now I will prepare the cut set. Cut set, that means we have to cut the twigs. We have to cut the twigs. How many twigs are there? A, B, and C. But while cutting the twigs, what is the condition? We have to cut one twig at a time. We have to cut one twig at a time, and we have to cut another links as well. Okay, we have to cut another links as well. એટ અ ટાઈમ એક જ કટ કરવાની છે, એટલે હું એકવાર એ ને કટ કરીશ, એકવાર બી ને કટ કરીશ અને એકવાર સી ને કટ કરીશ. while cutting a I will not cut c, while cutting b I will not cut c, while cutting c I will not cut a and b. Suppose I am, how can I do this? First 1 2 3 4, this is your A branch, this is your B branch, this is your C branch. I want to cut A branch, એટલે અહીંયાથી હું કટ કરીશ. ઓકે, અહીંયાથી હું જસ્ટ લિંક બી મૂકી દઉં એટલે તમને થોડો ખ્યાલ આવે. ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ ધીસ, I will cut A. એને મારે કટ કરવી છે પણ B અને C ના કટ થવી જોઈએ, તો can I cut like this? While cutting, it should be divided into two halves. પહેલો હાફ કયો? આ બાજુનો અને બીજો હાફ કયો? આ. એટલે અહીંયાથી આ બાજુનો આ જે લિંક છે એ આ બાજુ જતી રહી, D E and F. ઓકે, આ કટ હું આમ બી મારી શકતો, આમ, પણ જો આમ મારતો તો શું થતું? એ બી કટ થતી.
more than one twig.
Yes, we have to cut one twig at a time. Okay, so first is this cut set. Okay, now I will take the second one and the third one. Okay, I will repeat it over here because we need to write the cut set matrix. Okay, is it visible everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is your A, B and C, D, E, and F. Okay, first, as I said earlier, A, B, C, I will cut it from here. It will be D, it will be E, F. Cut set number 1. I will assign the direction of the cut set depending upon the twig which I have cut. Cut set number 1 ની direction કઈ હશે? કે જે twig મેં કાપી હશે એ. આની direction શું હતી? આ બાજુ હતી. So the direction of the cut set is like this. Here draw કરી નાખું. Okay, I will take the cut set number 2. Cut set number 2, that means we have to cut another twig. પહેલા કઈ twig cut કરી દી? First we have
A.
Okay, now we will cut the twig number B. Okay. કરી શકું, આમ કરી શકું?
Sir.
Yes. Done. We have to cut the twig like this. Okay, what will be the direction of cut set number 2? The twig which I have cut, B ની direction શું છે? This side. So I have to okay, I will select the cut set number 3. So it will be like this. Cut set number 3. A, B and C. કેવી રીતે કટ કરીશ આને? કયું કટ કરવાનું? Which one is remaining?
C.
C.
We have cut
C.
B, we have cut C. અહીંયાથી આમ કરીશ. Okay, this will be your D branch, this will be your E branch, this will be your F branch. What will be the direction of this cut set?
Downwards.
Yes.
Downwards.
Okay, we have to prepare a cut set matrix Q. Okay, whose rows and columns are of branches and links. Branches कई छे A, B, C, D, E and F. I will write cut set. These are nothing but the
Sir,
cut set. Yes.
please move the paper a bit. Yes, sir, that's good.
Okay. So this will be your cut set number 1. It will be your cut set number 2. Cut set number 3. Now see clearly. See cut set number 1. How we have to write. Okay. Is it visible to everyone? This
Sir.
matrix. Yes. Okay. So cut set number 1 I have taken. So we have to write the value of the matrix depend 1 minus 1 0 if orientation of branch is same as the cut set. We are taking cut set number 1. આની direction કઈ છે આ બાજુની છે. I will check the direction of A. Any direction અમને તમારા cut set ની direction is it same or different?
Same.
Any okay.
Same, sir.
Then we
1.
have to write 1. I will take B.
1
Minus 1.
minus 1
C
0.
0
0. Why?
Because it's not in the direction.
Okay, B is in the path of cut set.
Opposite.
Why is it in the path? આના path માં છે.
No, like
no sir
no.
We
Sir.
have to write 0 over here. For D,
1.
It will be 1.
yes. Why? Because outgoing. Okay. E ની direction અને તમારા cut set ની direction. Is it same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
B 1. F
0
F0.
cut set number 2. We are taking this cut set. Cut set number 2 નામ છે. A is it coming in the path of A?
No.
0
Zero.
no sir 0
0
1
1.
1
C
0
0
minus
Sir,
1
C is 1.
સર C1 આવશે ને
C1 આવશે. ક્યાં છે C?
અહીંયા નીચે.
હા આને આને રિલેશન છે કઈ આ કટ થાય છે C માં.
ઓ નો સોરી F આવશે.
D
F 1 also.
D will be minus 1. Why? Because it is opposite. E
0
It will be 1. 0. 0.
F1
1
F1
cut set number 3. This one. A
0
0.
0
0
C
1
1
1
D
0
0
0
E
1.
1
1.
F1.
F1
okay. If you see clearly, how many cut sets are there in over here?
3.
3. How we have created cut set depend upon which factor?
On the direction.
No. Cut set 3 જ કેમ થયા વધારે કેમ ના થયા?
So, because the number of twigs is equal to number of branches.
No. Twigs, number of twigs, number of cut set. Previous tie set matrix માં કેવું હતું? tie set ના નંબર કોની ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ હતા? આજે tie set બનાવ્યા કોની ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ હતા?
So, number of links.
Okay, so number of links is equal to number of tie set. These are always equal. Number of links and number of tie sets are always equal. Number of twigs and number of cut sets are always equal. Done?
Sir, one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in cut set number 2, and
Yes.
when we did branch number D, I didn't get, like, if we are writing -1 over there, then in cut set number 1, B should be also -1, no, sir?
Okay. In cut set number 1, how many branches it is cutting? Cut set number 1 is cutting which branches?
Sir,
A,
E,
B.
A and D.
Okay, so in that branch is only either 1 or more -1 comes. Rest are 0. If it is not coming in this path, then rest of the things are 0. Similarly, over here, this cut set number 2 is cutting how many branches?
D, B and F.
D, B, and F. So we have written B, D, and F. Rest are 0. Get it?
Okay, sir.
Hmm? Okay, so
Okay.
these are the 6 matrix actually, but this 2 will be not that much, means it is easier and that is not relevant to you as far as your class is late. So we will be sticking to this 4 matrices only for this chapter. So by doing this kind of a matrices, you can solve the transmission line parameter examples. Okay, and you can find out voltage and the current as well. Okay, so this is related to your this chapter, that is network topology. આની જે definitions અને બીજા જે equations છે, I will give you in a PDF format so you can solve it. Okay, for the homework purpose, do this exercise. This will be your 1 2 3 4 and your 5. A branch, B branch, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, for this graph you have to prepare complete incidence matrix, reduce incidence matrix, tie set matrix, and cut set matrix. થશે? Also you have to find out possible number of leads. આ કેવી રીતે find out કરશો? A into A transpose.
A transform.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
આ શું છે?
Complete incidence matrix.
Reduced,
First,
tie set.
tie set. And the last one.
ઓકે, હવે બ્રાન્ચીસ વધારે છે, સો યુ નીડ ટુ બી વેરી કેરફુલ. બરોબર થશે આ?
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, કાલે હું આ ચેક કરીશ. ડન. રેસ્ટ ઓફ અ 5 મિનિટ. ઓકે, તમને આમાં કોઈ ડાઉટ થતું હોય તો રફમાં અત્યારે કરી જુઓ. રેસ્ટ ઓફ અ 5 મિનિટ એન્ડ આઈ વિલ બી બેક. ઓકે, અત્યાર સુધી કઈ ડાઉટ બીજો?
Sir.
Yes. Are you having any doubt? આ થોડું રફમાં થોડું વર્કઆઉટ કરો જો તમને ડાઉટ લાગતો હોય તો. 5 થી 10 મિનિટમાં I will be back. Okay, I will be back after 5 minutes.
Hello, sir.
ट्राई करो आप. हेलो. Hello everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ટ્રી કેવી રીતે બનાવશો આનું? કોઈ બનાવવાનું વિચાર્યું એક્ઝામ્પલ નું?
Possible number of trees, right?
Means I'm asking that which tree you have thought to make.
Yeah. Yeah, like from if I'm telling like 3 to 1, 1 to 2, then 2 to 5, and 5 to 4. Bas, that's it, sir.
What my suggestion is to all of you is that choose the tree which looks simpler. ઓકે, જે જોવામાં સિમ્પલ લાગે એવો ટ્રી ચૂઝ કરવાનો, એટલે આગળ તકલીફ ના પડે. Can I make a slide?
Sir, 3 to 1 to 5 to 2 to 4.
No. What I have said, choose the tree which looks simpler in construction. Okay. કે જો જોતા જ સિમ્પલ લાગે. પહેલા શું કરવાનું, પહેલા બધા નોડ મૂકી દેવાના, 1 2 3 અને 4 મૂકી દો અને ક્રોસ લાઈન બનાવી દો. Will it be a tree?
Yes, sir.
I am talking like this. Will it be tree?
Yes.
આ સૌથી સિમ્પલ ટ્રી અને આગળ કઈ તકલીફ નહીં પડે તમારે. ઓકે ડન. એટલે તમે લિંક બનાવશો અહીંયાથી, તો અહીંયાથી આ લિંક બનાવશો તો પહેલી મેચ થશે, બીજી મેચ, ત્રીજી મેચ, ચોથી મેચ. ડન. તમે જે લોજિક વાપર્યું એ બી બનાવી શકો, પણ એ ક્યારે તકલીફ પડશે, તમે કટશટમાં કરવા જશો ત્યારે તકલીફ પડશે. ઓકે, તમને આની અગાઉની બધી પીડીએફ મળી ગઈ છે, તો એ બધી પીડીએફ ની ઉપરથી આ બધા મેટ્રિક્સ તમને આવડવા જોઈએ. ડન.
Okay, sir.
So now next we will take the concept of duality. That is our next concept. It's called, I will be taking a continuous lecture. Mihir sir will not take the lecture. So I think the screen is visible to everyone. That is a concept of duality. Okay, so what is this concept of duality? Okay, two network, or the definition of the duality is said as two network are said to be dual of each other when, પહેલા અહીંયા બધા છે કે નહીં? તેજસ, આર યુ હિયર? મનીષ, જસ્ટ તમારા નામ બોલે.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, યશ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Two networks are said to be dual of each other when the mesh equation of one network are same as the node equation of other one. Okay, the two network are said to be dual of each other when the mesh equation of one network are same as the node equation of the other. There will be a two network number 1, there will be a network number 2. This network number 1 and network number 2 will be said to dual if I am writing the mesh equation for network number 1. The same equation, if I am solving it, okay, and if I am getting the answer, the final answer જે તમારો v અથવા તો e અથવા i આવે છે એવો નહીં, final mesh equation નો answer. And second thing, that is network number 2, if I am writing a node equation, if both at the end both are same, this can be said as a dual to each other. Okay, so we can construct a dual network. So suppose कोई भी एक network છે તો એનું dual બનાવી શકું. Why I want to do so? Because we need to reduce the complexity of the network. આપણે શું કરવું છે, નેટવર્કની કોમ્પ્લેક્સિટીને રિડ્યુસ કરવી છે. ઓકે, so for that what we have to do, will make the dual network. So for making the dual network we have to make the conversation. Okay, for the conversation part, what you have to remember, for the conversation have written in a different manner. So for conversation we have to make some necessary assumption. Okay, so there will be a loop basis network or there will be a node basis network. Okay, so in your loop basis network you will be having a current. Okay, in your node basis you will be having a voltage. Yeah, I હશે, અહીંયા શું હશે? Voltage હશે. Okay, in loop basis you will be having a resistance R over here you will be having a conductance. It is nothing but G. G is what? 1 upon R. Okay. Over here you will be having an inductance. It is nothing but a L. Over here it is going to be capacitance. Yeah, sema convert થઈ જશે capacitance. Okay. Over here we will be having a mesh. Over here we will be having a node. You will be having a branch current over here. You will be having a nodal voltage over here. You will be having a short circuit condition over here. You will be having your open circuit condition over here. You will be having a parallel path over here. This will be connected as a series path, and vice versa. If the voltage is given, we can convert into a current. If the conductance is given, we can convert into a resistance. If the capacitance is given, we can convert into inductance. If the node is given, we can create a mesh. If the node voltage is given, we can get the branch current. If it is an open circuit condition, we can replace it with the short circuit condition. If there is a series path, we have to make it parallel path. Okay. So what you have to do, if the network number 1 is given in a loop basis, if the network number 1 is given in a loop basis, if we want to construct a dual network, which is nothing but network number 2, what we have to make the difference, or what we have to make the changes, we have to make the current into voltage, resistance to inductance, resistance to conductance, inductance to capacitance, mesh to node, branch current to branch node voltage, short circuit to open circuit, and parallel path to the series path. Okay, I can construct network number 1 dual, which is nothing but network number 2, by interchanging this quantity. Current આપેલો હોય તો voltage, resistance આપ્યો હોય તો conductance, inductance આપ્યો હોય તો capacitance, mesh આપ્યો હોય તો node, branch current node voltage, short circuit open circuit, and parallel path to series path. Okay, so how we can do this? How we can construct the dual network? Okay, so there is a procedure, and a step by step છે એ હું અત્યારે લખાવતો નથી, just અહીંયાથી તમને example થી કહીશ, એટલે you can get the better idea about the how we can construct a dual network. So I am taking one circuit for the network. This is your voltage. This is nothing but R, L, C. This is your original network. I want to construct a dual network. Okay, for constructing a dual network, what we have to do? We have to replace this quantity. Resistor હોય તો શું બનશે? Conductance. Inductance હોય તો capacitance. Mesh હોય તો node, branch current, node voltage, short circuit, open circuit, parallel path, series path. Okay, અહીંયા G હશે તો R બનશે, અહીંયા C હશે તો L બનશે, અહીંયા node હશે તો mesh બનશે, vice versa. Okay, અહીંયા voltage છે તો આ શું બનશે?
Current.
Resistance R1 will become
Inductance.
G1. Okay, inductance, it is not conductance, R1 G1, inductance L શું બનશે?
Capacitor,
Okay, capacitance શું બનશે?
inductance,
Resistance શું બનશે?
Inductance.
and
How we can construct dual network? અહીંયા જે series અને parallel path છે એ બધા તમારે આ series path છે તો આ બંને શેમાં આવશે? આ બંને series છે will be in now parallel. આ બંને શું છે? parallel માં છે, series માં. How we can do this? Okay, so for making the dual network, what we have to do? We have to follow one procedure. Okay, so first we will draw a original network. So I will draw original network. Okay, આમાં mesh હતી. These are two meshes. For creating mesh to a node, હવે node બનાવવા પડશે. For making the node, what we have to do? We have to create nodes in each and every mesh. એટલે આ mesh number 1 છે, I am giving node over here. એટલે આ બે node થઈ ગયા, first node and second node. And the third node which should be the reference node which is actually at the outside of your network. બે મેશ હતી એટલે બે નોડ આયા, ઓકે, 1 અને 2 નોડ, અને થર્ડ નોડ કયો આવ્યો કે જે તમારો આઉટસાઇડ ઓફ ધ નેટવર્ક છે. Now listen carefully, we have to connect each and every node, we have to connect each and every node by passing through each and every element one by one. We have to connect each and every node by passing through one element at a time. I will connect 1 and 3, I will connect 1 and 2, I will connect 2 and 3 by passing through each and every element. So what are these elements? V, R1, L, C and R2. Okay, so this L is between mesh 1 and 2, so I will connect directly with the help of dotted line. Okay, I want to connect 1 and 3. Okay, but the thing is that it has to pass through one element at a time.
At a time.
So this will be connected like this.
Sir.
Okay, this will be connected like this. This 2 should be connected with 3 by this. Done. We have connected this. Now we have to make a dual network. For making dual network, અહીંયા શું હતું, મેશ હતી, તો એને હવે શેમાં ફેરવવાના, મેશ ને.
Node.
So I will write nodes. How many nodes we have created? 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 2 I will write it over here, and 3 I will write it over, because it is, we have taken as a reference node. Between 1 and 2, which element is there?
Inductance L. So it will be
Inductance.
converted.
Only the inductance. 1 and 2 ની વચ્ચે શું છે?
Inductance.
Inductance is getting replaced by
Capacitance.
Okay. તો અહીંયાથી એક બ્રાન્ચ બનાવીશ કે જેની વચ્ચે શું હશે?
Capacitor.
Now 1 and 3 is connected into two ways via R1 and V. Okay, એટલે અહીંયા એક શું આવશે, R1 which is going to be converted, R હોય ત્યાં શું લખવાનું?
Conductance.
Okay, second one is your V, so V is going to be converted into
Current source.
current source. Okay, these two are in
Series.
Parallel. So it will be series.
it will be, no, these are two in series.
So sorry, these two are in series. So now
Okay.
they are in parallel.
So what we have to do, we have to make a conductance, name it as a G1, in parallel with current source. Okay, આ 3 નંબર છે, એને હું નીચે લઈ જાઉં છું. Done.
Yes, sir.
Then 2 is connected via C and R2. 2 is connected with 3 via C and R2. આ બંને connection શું છે?
Series.
Series. So it is again going to be
Parallel.
parallel. C is going to be replaced by
Inductor.
R is going to be replaced by
Conductance.
inductance. It will be I, it will be your L. So this network is your original network.
સર પેલા G2 આવશે ને કંડક્ટન્સ
G2 આવશે.
રિપ્લેસ કરે એટલે.
G2, sorry. This network is original network. This is your dual network. what you have to replace? Current or the voltage, resistance or the conductance, inductance or the capacitance or the inductance. Mesh ને બદલે node લેવાના, branch current ને બદલે node voltage, short circuit હોય તો open circuit કરવાનું, parallel path હોય તો series path હોય તો parallel, and vice versa. So that you need to remember. આ વસ્તુ તમારે remember કરવાની. Okay, this is your one example. Okay, second example I will be giving you as a part of homework. Okay, so this will be your original network plus minus this will be your R1, this will be your R2, this will be your V, R3, R4, this will be your L, this will be your C, and this will be your R5. Okay. चलो कितना मैच है हमारा, कितनी मैच है?
સર થોડું ઉપર લો ને.
Sir, 3 meshes.
There are 3 matches. So how many nodes will be there?
3 nodes.
3 nodes plus
Plus 1 extra reference node.
okay.
Next એટલે 4.
અહીંયા એક મૂકીશ, અહીંયા એક મૂકીશ અને અહીંયા એક મૂકીશ. What we have to do? We have to connect each and every node by connecting.
One at a time.
Okay. So this 1 node, 2 node and 3 node. 2 અને 3 કોની વચ્ચે જોડાયેલા છે?
Capacitance C.
1 અને 2 કોની વચ્ચે જોડાયેલા છે?
Resistance R.
R3. 3 and 1 is connected by
R4.
okay.
R4.
4 is connected via R1, V1, V and R2. 2 and 4 are connected via
R3.
no R3 તો આમાં 1 અને 2 વચ્ચે R3.
L and R5.
R5 તો અહીંયા છે બકા. 2 માટે વાત કરું છું.
2 માટે R5 એમ.
2 માટે L અને 3 માટે R5.
Okay, sir.
થઈ જશે?
Okay. Sir.
3 સિરીઝ માં છે તો આ શેમાં આવશે?
એ ત્રણ
Parallel
parallel.
માં.
Parallel.
ઓકે, આ હોમવર્ક છે તમારું. ડન. This is your concept of duality.
Sir, does
Yes.
any kind of come like mesh to node?
Mesh to node. हाँ, mesh to node થઈ જ ને. How many meshes are there? 2 meshes.
2 meshes.
મેશ ને અમે કન્વર્ટ શેમાં કરી? નોડ માં કરી. અહીંયા એક જ મેશ. હા.
Node to mesh. Sorry, sir.
નોડ ટુ મેશ. હવે સપોઝ અહીંયા છે આ, તો આ તમારું મેઇન નેટવર્ક છે. તો અહીંયાથી હું શું કરીશ? આ પહેલી મેશ બનશે, સેકન્ડ મેશ બનશે અને થર્ડ મેશ બનશે.
Okay. Sir.
Hmm?
Okay, sir.
So this is your concept of duality. Now we will turn to our next chapter, that is two-port networks. Two-port network. Okay, so two-port network is having a different network. Okay, so two-port network actually is what? I will give you some basic idea about it. This will be your network. We will be getting output. We will be giving input. Okay, so every network will be looking like this. Input and we will be giving output. Some network will be like this. कि network છે એને હું input આપ્યા કરું છું, output નથી મળતું. Okay, so that means output in terms of electrical. Mechanical કદાચ મળી શકે. Okay, suppose I am giving input to the network and it is not giving any kind of electrical output. It will be looking like this. Okay, your network will be like this. There will be input number 1, there will be input number 2 as well, and you will be getting output. The input આપે અને એક output મળે. There will be network like this. I am giving input number 1, input number 2, input number 3, I will be getting output number 1, output number 2, output number. Okay. So for this, what I will define ports. Ports, that means input port and the output port. In this case, how many ports are there?
So one.
I will be termed as a one port network. In this case, there are two ports, input port and
Output.
this will be termed as a two port network. How many ports are there? Depending upon the network, it will be having a multiple input and multiple output. So I will be saying as a multi-port network. Okay, the analysis of one port is simpler. Okay, the analysis of two port network, if I'm doing and if I'm applying the same with the multiple network, it will be the okay. કારણ કે multiple network માં શું હોય? Input number 1 આપ્યું, output number 1 મળ્યું, input number 2 આપ્યું, output number 2 મળ્યું, input number 3 આપ્યું, output number 3 મળ્યું. Okay, if I know individually that is two port network, then I will be able to find out the multi-port network. Okay, so we will first concentrate on this two port network. So for two port network, what we have to consider, we will be having some parameters. Okay, what are these parameters? These parameters are nothing but Z parameters, Y parameters, transmission parameter, and inverse transmission parameter, that is T dash parameter. Z parameter, Y parameter. Okay, ABCD જે ટ્રાન્સમિશન છે એને ABCD કહેવાય. Inverse ABCD parameter, they are often called as a Z parameter are nothing but short circuit parameters. These are nothing but open circuit parameter. Transmission parameter, ABCD parameter, T dash parameter, ABCD parameter. Okay, so each and every parameter has their own equations. Okay, as I said earlier, we will be having a multi-port. So I am taking the port, two port network, simple port number network. So in this port number, you will be having a voltage V1 as the input part. We will be having a I1 current, that is port number 1 current. At the output side, we will be either giving or getting V2 voltage, and this current is okay. So V1 is voltage at port number 1, I1 is equal to current at port number 1, V2 is voltage at port number 2, I2 is current at port number. This is the basic thing. Network V1, V2, I1 and I2. Direction we are taking in this way. Okay, for the betterment. So what will be the basic equation of Z parameter? આ તમારે યાદ રાખવાના છે because it will be helpful for solving example as well as the theory. For Z parameter, the equation is V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. For Y parameter, it will be I1 is equal to Y11 I11 Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 into V2. Okay, for ABCD parameter, the equation is V1 is equal to AV2 minus BI2, and I1 is equal to CV2 minus DI2. For inverse parameter, V2 is equal to A dash V1 minus b dash I1 and I2 is equal to c dash v1 minus d dash I1. This is your Z parameter, short circuit parameter, Y parameter, open circuit parameter, T parameter or the transmission parameter, ABCD parameter, T dash parameter, inverse transmission parameter, A dash, B dash, C dash parameter. Okay, these are the basic equation of your Z parameter. V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Y parameter I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. V1 is equal to A V2 minus B I2. I1 is equal to C V2 minus B I2. And it is nothing but your T dash parameter. V2 is equal to A dash V1 minus B dash I1. I2 is equal to C dash V1 minus D dash I1. Okay, so this four equation you have to remember. આ ગમે એમ કરીને તમારે યાદ રાખવા પડશે because we will be having some theories as well as this exam. Okay, how we can find out Z11, Z12, Z21, 22 અને આ બધા જે છે એ કેવી રીતે find out કરતે આપણે next lecture માં. Okay, is there any queries in this lecture? Okay, I am going little bit fast, but I think you will be able to understand
Sir,
very quick.
just one thing. T parameter and T dash parameter, what does they both mean? Like we understood Z and Y, but T and T dash I didn't understand.
While finding out the transmission line related voltage and current, we will be having two ports. What is actually the transmission line? Whenever we are sending some voltage from one end to another end, let us say from generating station to the receiving station, that is your generating station is your Vanakbori or let us say Kakrapar or Sardar Saror, and the receiving end is nothing but your substation. Okay, so there will be a voltage loss or the current loss depending upon the losses in the network. So for that, what we have to do, we have to categorize Z, Y, ABCD. ABCD or the transmission line parameter is what? It will be useful for finding out the transmission line constant. These constants are nothing but A, B, C, D as well as A dash, B dash, C dash and D. Okay, when this kind of a two-port network parameter having a short circuit condition, we will be using Z parameter. If it is having open circuit condition, we will be using Y parameter. If it is having a transmission, okay, transmission analysis માટે use કરીશું, so that is for T and T dash. Done?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you will get more
સર
idea.
આ જે ટી છે ટી પેરામીટર્સ ની જે વાત થઈ બરોબર એમાં V1 ને I1 છે તો એવું કહી શકાય કે ઇનપુટ સાઈડ ના છે અને ટી ડેશ છે એ આઉટપુટ સાઈડ ના છે એની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે છે એવું છે એટલે
Yes,
સબસ્ટેશન થી આ બાજુની સાઈડ ના જે છે
yes.
ઓકે
Okay, but right now we will be talking about a simple network. Substation is a big thing. એ તમારે જે 7th sem માં અથવા તો 6th semester માં જ્યારે આવશે ત્યારે આ નેટવર્ક યુઝ કરવા પડશે. Z, Y, ABCD અને ઇન્વર્સ ABCD એ યુઝ કરવા પડશે. પણ અત્યારે હું નાની સર્કિટ લઈશ કે જેમાં 2 વોલ્ટ અને 10 વોલ્ટ અથવા તો 15 વોલ્ટ મેક્સિમમ હશે. ઓકે,
ઓકે
પછી ઇન ટર્મ્સ ઓફ મેગાવોટ બી આવશે જ્યારે તમારું જનરેટિંગ સ્ટેશનના એનાલિસિસ આવશે ત્યારે और वोल्टेज जो केवी માં હશે તે અહીંયા ઓકે પણ એ બધું 6 સેમેસ્ટર ઓનવર્ડ્સ આવશે કે જ્યારે તમે પાવર સિસ્ટમ ભણી ગયા હશો ત્યારે ઓકે અથવા તમારા ડિપ્લોમામાં આવી બી ગયું હશે. એની ક્વેરી? તમારા મેથ્સના લેક્ચર લેવાય છે?
Yes, sir.
મેથ્સના ચાલુ છે
ઓકે, કયો લેક્ચર હોય છે એનો?
1 થી 2
1 થી 2. ઓકે, પછી અંકુર સરનો?
એમનું બી હમણાં એક્ઝામ અત્યારે નહીં લીધો પણ હવે ચાલુ થશે કારણ કે એમનું બી બાકી છે સિલેબસ થોડું.
ઓકે, ચલો હું પૂછી જોઈશ. અગર એ નહીં હોય તો હું એ કન્ટિન્યુ કરીશ. અને છેલ્લે મીર મહેતા સરનો છે.
આજે ના હોય મીર મહેતા સરનું, આજે નહીં હોય,
આજે સોરી
શુક્રવાર
આજે શુક્રવાર છે. સો આઈ બી ટેકિંગ ધ લાસ્ટ 2:20 પછીનો જે છે સેશન હું લઈશ. આ અહીંયા પૂરું કરાવી દઈશ. ઓકે,
ઓકે
હમ
ઓકે
બીજી કોઈ ક્વેરી હોય તો કહી શકો છો. વિલ બી ગોઈંગ લિટલ બિટ ફાસ્ટ, પણ તમને બધાને ખબર પડે એવી રીતે. બધી ખબર પડી? ડ્યુઆલિટીમાં ખબર પડી તમને?
Yes, sir.
ખબર પડી ડ્યુઆલિટીમાં?
Yes, sir.
પછી આ જે મેટ્રિક્સ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કર્યા, એ મેટ્રિક્સ, એ મેટ્રિક્સ, બી મેટ્રિક્સ અને ક્યુ મેટ્રિક્સ. થોડું ટ્રાય કરજો એટલે તમને ખબર પડશે. ના ખબર પડે તો આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ટ્રાય કરીશું. હા,
Okay, sir.
અને વિડીયો અપલોડ કરીશ હમણાં બધા જેટલા આપણે જે મેં રેકોર્ડ કર્યા છે એ બધા. તો તમને ના ખબર પડતી હોય તો 1 by 1 વિડીયોઝ જોઈ લેજો. ઓકે,
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
ચલો, those who have carry they can stay here, rest can leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.